So about 2 weeks ago, Mr. Robbins reached out to us. Advisors Excel has a partnership with Topeka Public Schools, and we're always looking to support families and staff. And we've done a lot with families, but we haven't done a lot with staff. And Mr. Robbins reached out and said that they had an incredible staff member who had had a really tragic accident at his house. And through the course of an event that he was not responsible for, some damage was done to his house. It ruined his bed, structurally damaged the home, and he was in need of a little bit of help.
We are at the residence of Mr. Raymond Coffman. He works for Topeka Public Schools. And we got a call from Advisors Excel on Friday to see if we could partner with doing some remodel to his home. It had an unfortunate incident last week, and so we were more than happy to help.
So 5 years ago, Advisors Excel created Season of Sharing, and we seek to help with big requests that individuals typically can't get help with in our community. It was a holiday giving program, and it still is, but we created a year-round portion several years ago to address those big needs throughout the rest of the year and not just at the holidays. So Advisors Excel provided him with a new bed and a new headboard for his room, and then he also, with the help of MCP Group, received structural repairs and then a new air conditioner to keep his home comfortable through these hot summer months, and just to make sure that his family is staying there in a comfortable setting.
I think it is important for MCP Group to partner in these projects. I mean, we are a general contractor, and so we're fortunate enough that we have the tools necessary to come out here and quickly rebuild his bedroom so he's not without a place to stay.
We hope that Mr. Coffman and his daughters see and feel the support of our community. It's not just a care for them while they're here at Topeka Public Schools, but it's a care for them here in the community as well.